Alright guys, this is WL Customs, this is what I made. Gotta enjoy this, and yeah, hope you all stay safe and enjoy the rest of your COVID-19 break while you can, before normalcy kicks in again once the vaccine's here. Hey guys, forgot to mention this, but this is my signature egg and rice with cheese. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah. Hey guys, forgot to mention this before my other video, but this is my signature egg and cheese rice. And yeah, that's about it for now. Thank you all for watching again. Alright you all, this is WL Customs again. It's my creation, now ready to be eaten by me. Stay safe you all, and stay healthy. We're all in this together, and we'll get through this before normalcy is where we reach again. Enjoy.